Ambient. How weather shapes our world.
Environmental science studies ambient conditions around living organisms. Ambient temperature surrounds all living things. Plants grow differently in various ambient temperatures around them. Animals adapt to their ambient environment surrounding their habitat. Meteorologists measure ambient air pressure around weather stations daily. Ambient humidity surrounds us and influences weather patterns significantly. Rainforests have high ambient moisture levels around vegetation. Deserts show very low ambient humidity surrounding desert life. Ambient light surrounds plants and affects photosynthesis rates. Forests have lower ambient light around trees than open fields. Ocean depths receive minimal ambient light surrounding marine life. Surface waters enjoy abundant ambient sunlight around them. So ambient conditions surround and shape ecosystems worldwide. Arctic regions maintain freezing ambient temperatures around polar organisms year-round. Tropical zones sustain warm ambient conditions surrounding tropical species continuously. Mountain peaks experience thin ambient air pressure around high elevations. In summary, ambient factors surrounding organisms determine where they thrive and how ecosystems function across different regions.
So, ambient means existing or present in the surrounding area or environment, around a particular object, organism, or location. This term describes conditions that naturally surround a reference point. Synonyms include surrounding, environmental, and atmospheric.